Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Did you do the homework? Wala homework එක කරාද?
Yes, sir.
Okay. තෙනුලි?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rice flour, sugar and coconut are mixed in the ratio 4 to 3 to 1. To prepare certain sweet meat mixture, find the mass of each ingredient, 2 kilogram of sweet meat. Okay. What are the ingredients? Rice. First, rice. Rice flour. Then, how we find rice flour? What is the fraction of rice flour in this sweet meat? Total 4 to 3 to 1. What is the summation of these three?
8.
8. Then, what is the rice fraction is?
4.
4. Then, 4 over 8. We have to multiply by 2 kilograms. 2 kilograms equal to how much grams?
2000 grams.
2000 grams. Then it's 4. So it's 2. We can divide by 4. It's 2. It's 1. Then 2000 divided by 2. What is that? Answer is
1000.
1000. 1000 means it's 1 kilogram. Okay. Then we go into sugar. Sugar fraction. What is the sugar fraction is?
3 over 8.
3 over 8. Multiply by
2000 grams.
2000 grams. Now we have to divide 2000 by 8. How much? 8 per 20. It's 2 ned. Is it? Then 16. 40. How much? 8 per 40.
5.
5. Then 40. 0, 0, 0. Then 0. 3 multiplied by 250 grams. What is the answer? 750 grams. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have to find out the coconut fraction. What is the coconut fraction? 1 over
1 over 8.
1 over 8. 1 over 8 multiplied by 2000 grams. Then we know how many 8s per 2000? 250. What is the answer? 250 grams. Okay. Are you correct? If you finish the writing, raise hand. Okay, we're going to the next question. Number 6, a high nutrient food item is made of green gram, soya, and rice mixed with ratio 2 to 1 to 3. Compute the amount of rice in a 840 grams packet of this food item. Okay, what is the ingredient we have to find out? What is this? Rice. Then we know the ratio is 2 to 1 to 3. Then what is the summation of ratios?
6.
6. Then you can get the rice fraction. What is the rice fraction is?
2.
Rice. What is?
3/6.
Yes, 3 neda. Then green gram fraction is 2. Soya fraction is 1. Rice fraction is 3. 3/6. Multiply by which number?
840.
Yes, 840 grams. How many 3s per 6? 6ට 3ේම කීයක් තියෙනවද?
2.
2. Then we have to 840 divide by 2. What is?
420 grams.
Yes, 420 grams. After you write in the answer, raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. The ratio of the high school students enrolled in science, technology, and art streams in school is 3 to 5 to 7. If the total number of high school students in the school is 600, how many students are enrolled in art stream? Okay. What is the number, the ratio for the science?
So,
Science
3
is,
over
yes, science,
50.
yes. Then what we have to find out? Art stream, neither. Arts. Then science to technology to art. 3 to 5 to 7. What is the total of the summation in the fractions?
7 over 50.
Yes. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 in the denominator. Art students, then 7. 7 over 15. What are the total students in this group?
600.
600. How many? 15 plus 600. It's 40, neither, is it? 7 multiplied by 40. What is the answer is?
280.
280 students. After you finish, raise hand. Netuli, after you finish, raise hand. Okay. Ratio of length, breadth of a rectangular playground is 3 to 2 if its perimeter is, what is, 600 meters. Find the length and its breadth. Okay. Can you find out? How we find? Then what is the shape of this rectangular? Tenuli, did you get the answer?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to find out. Then length, I'm getting its L. Breadth is B. Then I'm going to find the length. Okay. What is the fraction for length? Total is 5. Then length to breadth. Length is 3. 3 over 5. Multiply by which number?
300.
Yes, 300. Yes, 300. අපි 600 වලින් multiply කරලා ඒක දෙකෙන් බෙදන්නත් වෙයි නේද? අපි එහෙම කරමු. හරි? What is? Then it's 300 because there are 2 lengths and 2 breadths. හරි? පළලවල් දෙකකුයි දිගවල් දෙකකුයි තියෙනවා නේද? හරි. Then 900 divide by 5. What is the answer? 180 meter. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Breathe equal to 2/5 multiplied by 600 divided by 2. What is the answer? Is 120 meters. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ඇයි අපි මම ආයි explain කරන්න. Why we get the 600 divided by 2? Because the then same length දෙකක් තියෙනවා නේද? ඒ වගේම same width. There are same widths. Opposite sides are equal. Then we have to take the half of this length and breadth. හරි. එක ගානම දෙකක් තියෙන හින්දා අපි එකෙන් භාගයක් ගන්න ඕනේ. So I got the 600 divided by 2. Okay. After you finish, raise hand. Write down the next subtopic. Calculating total amount when given the ratio of one element. Okay. I'm taking the example from exercise. What is sugar and flour were mixed into the ratio 3:5 to prepare mixture of a sweetmeat. If the mass of sugar used was 750 grams, find the total mass of the sweetmeat mixture. Okay, how we find? Then what is the flour ratio is? Flour wala ratio එක කීයද? What is the number of ratio?
5.
Is 5. Then sugar is
3.
3. Then if the mass of the sugar was used, how much? Sugar use කරලා තියෙන කොච්චරද?
750.
750 grams. Find the total mass. What the total mass of the sweetmeat mixture? What is the asking? Total mass. Okay. Now we go into total mass. Mass of mixture. Okay. 750 the grams. Okay. 750 divide by its ratio. What is the ratio of the sugar? එයාගේ අපි දන්න එක්කෙනාගේ ratio එකෙන් divide කරනවා. What is the sugar එයාගේ ratio එක කීයද?
3.
3. අපි ඒකෙන් divide කරනවා. දන්න එක්කෙනාගේ එක එයාගේකෙන්ම divide කරනවා. multiply කරනවා. What is the total of the summation? Summation එක ratio එකේ summation එකෙන් multiply කරනවා. What is the summation of the ratio?
8.
8. අපි 8 වලින් multiply කරනවා. Then 750 grams divide by 3. 753න් බෙදුවොත් කීයද?
250 grams.
250. You have to multiply 250 by 8. 258ක් වැඩි කරලා බලන්න.
2000 grams, 2 kilos.
Yes, 2000 grams. Okay, 2000 grams. It equal to how much kilograms?
2 kilograms.
Yes, 2 kilograms. Hari. Write down the this one as an example. අපි දන්න එක්කෙනාගේ mass එක එයාගෙම ratio එකෙන් divide කරලා multiply කරා summation එකෙන් ratio එකෙන්. After you finish, raise hand. Lakshmi, I finish. Okay. I think you are finished. Okay, first read the question. Srimal rides a bike from his house to the bus stop and then take a bus when he travels to school. The ratio of the distance he traveled by bike to distance he traveled by bus is 2 to 7. If the distance he traveled by bus 14 kilometers, then bus, what is the distance? What is the distance to the school from his house? Okay. Please understand the question. What is question? I draw and sketch. What is the he travel by bicycle ratio is what is
2,
2. Then bus 7.
7,
Then what is the given distance he traveled by bus? 14 kilometers. Okay. Then what is the asking distance to school from house? Then asking total one, is it? Then you have to divide which distance by which number. දැන් අපි දන්න distance එක දන්න ratio එකෙන් divide කරා නේද කලින් ගානේ න. Can you remember? අපි 750 කියන එක යාගේ ratio එකෙන් divide කරා. multiply කරේ මොකෙන්ද? Summation of ratios. Now can you do it? What is the? We have to divide which one by which one? කෝක කෝකෙන්ද divide කරන්නේ?
14 divided by 7,
Multiply by
9.
2, 9,
9. ඇයි අපි total එකකින් multiply කරන්න ඕනේ නේද? 14 kilometer divide by 7 and multiply by 9. What is the answer is?
18 kilometers.
Yes, 18 kilometers. Then 3 miles house to school distance is 18 kilometer. Okay. After you finish raise hand. Netuli, Priyashi, after you finish, raise hand. Can you do these both questions? Priyashi, third one answer is correct. Fourth one, check again. Tenuli, both are correct. මට answers ටික එවන්න. Yes, Priya's answer is correct. Okay, I think you have finished. Then third one. What are the ingredients of this drink, food drink? Water and orange. What are the ratios? 5 to 7. Then we know how much orange used in this drink. How much orange? What is?
350 ml.
350 milliliter divided by 7. Multiply by
12.
12. Then 50 multiplied by 12 is 600 milliliters. Okay. Then ratio nitrogen phosphorus to potassium. 5 to 2 to 1. Are then what is the phosphorus? Phosphorus ratio is
2.
2. Then its mass is,
250 grams.
yes, we have to total, find the total. 250 grams divide by 2 multiplied by 8.
125.
Yes, you can multiply by 8. Then divide by 2 is 125. 125 multiplied by 8 is 1000. Is it? 1000 grams. 1 kilograms. Okay. After you finish, raise hand. Hirun, your answers are correct. Netuli, I finish. Write down the next topic. Calculating 1 element in ratio when ratio and 1 element value is given. Sesame balls are made by mixing sesame and jaggery. In the ratio 5 to 4, how much jaggery is required to make sesame balls if 500 grams of sesame is used? Then what is the ratio between sesame and jaggery? What is the ratio is? Five to how much? 5 to? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Sesame and jaggery වල ratio එක කීයද? Sesame to 5 to
5 to 4.
5 to 4. How much jaggery is required to make sesame balls if 500 grams of sesame used? Okay. What is asking? How much jaggery is required? Now we know how much sesame in this mixing. 500 sesame තියනවා කියනවා නේද? Is it 500? Then asking how much jaggery need to this mixture. Then first we divide 500 by which number? අපි දන්නේ එක දන්නේ එකෙන් බෙදන්නේ කීයද?
5.
5. Then asking jaggery. What is jaggery ratio is?
4.
4. අපි 4 වලින් තමයි multiply කරන්නේ. Then what is the 500 divided by 5 is
100.
100. 100 multiplied by 4 is
400.
400 grams. Then mixture එකේ jaggery කොච්චරක් ඕනේද?
400 grams.
400 grams. Okay, write down the first one. After you finish, raise hand. Hirun, are you finished?
No, sir.
Okay. After you finish, Hirun, raise hand. Okay. Okay, try to do the second question. Ratio of female workers to male workers in an office 3 to 2. If there are 18 female workers, find the number of male workers. Yes, Priya's answer is correct. Generally, answer is correct. Yes, Hirun answer is correct. Okay. Female to male ratio is how much? Can you tell me?
3 to 2.
3 to 2. Netuli answer is correct. Then, how many females workers in this office?
18.
18. Now we are going to find male workers in this office, male workers. Okay. Then, what is 18 divided by, it's 3. Its ratio is 3. Multiply by
2.
male workers ratio. What is that? It's 2.
2.
Then 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Okay. All are gave the correct answers. Okay. හොඳයි. Third one, tea and milk mixed in the ratio 2 to 5. When making milk tea, how many milliliters of tea used to be should be used to make milk tea if 100 milliliter milk is used? Can you find out? I think you can do it. Yes, Priyashi answer is correct. Yes, Tenuli answer is correct. Send me the answer to chat box. Okay. Okay. හරි මම මේක explain කරන්න. ඔයාලා ගෙදර ටී එකක් ටී හදනකොට milk tea හදනකොට what is we use tea and what is milk නේද? Is it? Then in this question given tea and milk ratio what is 2 to 5. හරි අපි ඔය mix එක වැඩියෙන් තියෙන්නේ මොනවද දැන්? මේකේ නම් කිරි නේද වැඩියෙන් තියෙන්නේ. Then what is the next? T is as a low fraction. When making milk tea, how many milliliters of tea used should be used to make milk tea? Milk tea. අපෙන් අහනවා how many milliliters of tea should be used to make milk tea if 100 milliliter of milk used. හරි. එහෙනම් milk කොච්චරක් use කරලා තියෙනවද? 100 milliliters. Okay. If you couldn't understand, can you now understand? Netuli, can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do the question and get the answer. හිරුන් අපෙන් අහන්නේ කොච්චරක් tea use කරන්න ඕනේද කියලා. Then 100 should be divided by 5 and multiply by tea වල ratio එකකින් multiply කරන්න. What is? We have to use tea. What is? අපි දැන් 100 milliliters milk use කරනවා. ඒක යාගෙම ratio එකකින් divide කරනවා. multiply කරනවා. Yes, Hirun answer is correct. Okay, next I am doing stew. It's 20 and answer is 40 milliliters. Okay. I think you can put it. Okay, Mr. Pereira's saving to expenditure ratio is 3 to 7. If his saving during a certain month was 6,000, how much money he spent that month? Savings to expenditure. කියන්නේ ඉතිරි කිරීම හා වියදම්. හරි. අතර අනුපාතය. The ratio between the savings and expenditures. 3 to 7. නෙතුලි ආන්සර් එක ගත්තද කලින් එකට 40 කියලා 40යි කියලා? නෙතුලි ලියුණානේ මේ මේක ගත්තද ආන්සර් එක නෙතුලි? නෙතුලි can you hear me? මේක ලියා ගන්නකො නෙතුලි. Do this one. Priyashi calling answer එක මට වෙලා තිබ්බා. Priyashi answer is correct. Okay. Tenuli answer is correct. Hirun answer is correct. Netuli answer is correct. Hari. Ola gave the answers. Now I am going to discuss saving. Savings, expenditures. Ratio equal to how much? Savings to expenditure.
3 to 7.
3 to 7. During a certain month was that month was 6,000. What is? Then saving 6,000. How much money did he spend that month? What is? How much money did he spend that month? Okay. අපි දැන් වියදම් කරපු ගාන අහනවා නේද? හරිද? අපි expenditures කියමු. How we find it? 6,000 divided by which one?
3.
3. Multiply by
7.
7. Then it's 2,000. Multiply by 7. It's 14,000. Okay. Then all are given the correct answers. Okay. Mama, ඔයාලට fifth question එක I gave it as a homework. Okay. homework එකක් විදියට දෙනවා. Fifth question. Can you do it as a homework? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mark,
Yes, sir.
okay, mark it down. Today I am going to the next lesson. Okay. Next lesson. Percentage. Write down the percentages. $22. Percentages. Okay. Then percentages කලින් එකට කලින් මම fractions ටිකක් පොඩ්ඩක් discuss කරලා ඉන්නවා. Then I'm going to discuss the some fractions. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much squares in this row? How much squares? Can you tell me how much squares? 5 and 5. What is that?
10.
Can you tell me? 10. 10. Then how much I shaded?
2.
2. Then can you tell me it as a fraction? What is that?
2 over 10.
2 over 10. Can you remember how we express it as a decimal?
Yes, sir.
What is the decimal? It's
0.2.
0.2. Okay. Then I am getting another. How much I shaded in the second one?
7.
7. It has a fraction.
7 over
7.
10.
7 over 10. What is its decimal representation is?
0.7.
0.7. Okay. Can you draw these two examples in your book? පුළුවන් නේද? හරි. First write down this Now after you finish, raise hand. Hirun and Tenoli, after you finish, raise hand. Okay. Then representation of percentages. In your square board, there are 100 squares. Okay. ඔයාලගේ මොකක් හරි පොතක හරි තියෙන කොටු ගාන, if there square is a large square, that integrated 100 small squares. හරි. ලොකු square එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒකේ ඇතුලේ පොඩි squares තියෙනවා. It's 100. I am shading 13. What is fraction is? 13 over 100. Then we represent it. What is percentage mark? Percentage. Okay. What is the percentage is? 13.
13%.
Yes, 13%. Okay. If I am shaded 89 squares in my large square, what is the fraction is? 89ක් මම පාට කරනවා නම්, what is the fraction is?
89 over 100.
89%.
Yes, 89, we write it as a fraction, 89 over 100, then 89%. Okay, percentage. Then I am taking another one, 19. How we read this?
19%.
Yes, 19%. Then I am showing another. 34%. How we express in number 35 and 34 and percentage mark. Okay, can you write this? Okay. After you finish the writing, raise hand. Okay. After you finish the writing, raise hand. Hirun, after you finish, raise hand. Can you do this? 22. Don't write the question. Write the question number and get the answer. Okay. Can you do it? Tenuli, can you do?
Okay, sir.
Priyashi, can you do?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. After you finish, raise hand. Okay. Now raise hand. What is the first one answer? Is 2%. Okay. Second one, 20%. 20, write the 20 in number and percentage mark. Third one, 100%. The number in 100 and percentage mark. Fourth one, 175%. 175%. Fifth one, 12.5%. 12.5%. Sixth one, 30.5%. 30.5%. Okay. Are you correct all? Come Harida.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We going to the next question. Write down how each of the percentages given below is read. 25%, 180%. What is? Can you write down it? In letters.
Completed, sir.
Okay. If you finish, raise hand. Okay. Then what is the first one is? Can you tell me? First one is answer what?
25.
25%.
25%. Second one?
180%.
80%.
Yes, 180%. Third one is?
7.5%.
Yes, 7.5%. Next, can you do this one? Write the percentage corresponding to each of following fraction. What is the first one is? How much the percentage? Roman number 1.
9%.
9%. Okay. Get the other answers.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now raise hand if you finish. Hirun, Netuli, after you finish, raise hand. Okay, what is the first one? Is 9%, you said. Then second one is
30%.
30%. As a percentage corresponding, write the percentage corresponding to each following fraction of a unit. The third one is
100%.
100%. Fourth one is
105%.
yes, 105%. Okay. Write the fraction corresponding to each of the percentages given below. Can you do it? Percentage එකක් විදිහට ඔය ටික ලියන්න පුළුවන්.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Okay, now raise hand if you finish. Okay, Netuli, are you finished? Okay. First one, what is the fraction is?
33 over 100.
33 over 100. Second one,
100
100
over 100.
over 100. Third one,
85%. 85 over 100.
yes, 85 over 100. Fourth one,
1 over 100.
1 over 100. Okay, I think you all are correct these answers. Okay, we're going to the next topic. Fraction into percentage. We fraction එකක් percentage එකක් කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා බලමු. First example, one over two. It's half. You can represent it as percentage. We have to multiply by 100. How many? When we can divide 100 by 2. 100 දෙකෙන් බෙදුනොත් කීයද? What is that?
50.
50. Then what is the answer is 50%. Then 1 over 4, it's a fraction. Then 1 over 4 have to multiply by percentage එකක් කරනවා නම් have to multiply by 100. අපි 100ෙන් වැඩි කරනවා. Then අපිට දැන් තියෙන්නේ හරියටම 104ෙන් බෙදන්න වගේ. What is that?
25. 25%.
25%. The next example, you have to do 3 over 4. Can you do it as a percentage? What is the multiplication and after what is the percentage? What we have to multiply by which one?
25.
5%.
What is the?
75%.
Yes, what is the multiplication is 100. Then how many 4s per 100? It's 25. Then 25 multiplied by 3 is 75. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then can you do this one? 7 over 100.
%70%.
Yes, 70%. Multiply by 100. CM වැඩි කරනවා. Then 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. What is this fraction? How we read this? This is an improper 3 over 2. Can you it represent as a percentage?
150%.
Yes, 150. How we get 100 divided by 2 is 50. 50 multiplied by 3 is 150. Okay. Can you get now this one? I am giving this another few examples and you send the answers to chat box. Okay. Priya's answers are correct. Yes, 10 only answers are correct. Okay, I think the time is enough. හරි අපි බලමු කොහොමද කරන්න කියලා. Then how we do? Then you have to multiply by 100. Then it's 20, 180. අපි මේක බලමු. Then 1 and 2 over 5. Then it's 5 and plus 2. It's 7. Multiply by 100. Then 140%. Then next one 20, 27 over 100. Then multiply by 270. Okay, if you finish it, raise hand now. Hirun, I finish. Get the answer for this one. First one I am done. Then do the first, second one, third one, fourth one I am done. You can do others. Yes, you can do. I did the fourth one also, ne? Okay, with the others. Then, yes, do others. Don't do the what I did. After you finish, send me the answers. Second one, third one, fifth one, and seventh one. Yes, Primashi answers are correct. Okay, I think you can do it. What is that? 1 over 10 multiplied by 100. What is the percentage is?
10%.
10%. Second one. Then third one, 15 over 20 multiplied by 100. What is? How many 20s per 100?
5.
5. 5 multiplied by 15.
75.
75. Fifth one. 13 over 10 multiplied by 100. What is?
130%.
130%. Seventh one, it's a mixed number. 1 and 7 over 20. Can we, improper fraction is what?
27 over 20.
27 over 20. Multiply by
100.
100. Then what is this? 27 multiplied by 5.
135%.
Yes, 135%. Okay. If you finish, raise hand now. Can you do the other questions in this exercise as a homework? කරන්න පුළුවන් වේද?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any question what we did today? අද කරපුවේ
Yes,
මොන ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? Tenuli, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Netuli?
No, sir.
Okay. Hirun, do you have any question? Okay. එහෙනම් මම අදට ක්ලාස් එක නතර කරනවා. එහෙනම් good night, okay?
Good night, sir.
Thank you, Engadasi, sir.
Okay.